Hi, this is Anita Kowalski and welcome to ONTV Food Drive. I am in the ONTV cooking kitchen. I'm excited to be here. I would like to show you how to replate your food using glasses that you normally don't use. These are my margarita glasses, which I haven't used in a year. But I thought there's a better way to do something. So let me show you salad. This is regular salad that you normally just put in a bowl, right? Or on your dish. But instead, if you put it in a margarita glass, shaking the dressing. What is nice about margarita glasses that you probably don't realize is the dressing can be in the very bottom of the glass, not getting the salad soaking. So you can put the salad dressing in first if you like. I like that idea. So a new way to present salad, the opening of a meal. Now to the ending of a meal, ice cream. Ooh, this is good. I am only going to put in 2 scoops because, as you can see, this is a very big piece of chocolate cake. So with that, if you even want to get more creative, drizzle your caramel, your hot chocolate drizzle, hot fudge. Doesn't that sound great? Drizzle it in the glass first before you put in the ice cream. How would you like this to be presented to you as your ending to a perfect dinner? With that, I want you to keep in mind that right now is the ONTV food drive. Please give generously and donate any canned goods, any shelf goods that you can for the needy in our community. Thank you. I'm so glad you let me share my little hints and tips on how to replate food into a new and interesting way, as we have the food drive that you can give generously with canned goods, boxed goods, anything for our community members. Thank you from the ONTV Cooking Kitchen. I'm Anita Kowalski.